Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Veo 3. This updated platform offers powerful tools for project management and team collaboration. We'll cover its core functionalities, helping you navigate the new interface and leverage its advanced features. Get ready to streamline your workflows and boost your team's productivity with ease. Getting started with Gemini Veo 3 is straightforward. First, download the application from the official Gemini website. Once downloaded, follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, you can log in using your current Gemini account credentials. If you are new, creating an account is quick and easy, setting you up for success.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to simplify your financial life, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's explore the key features of Gemini Veo 3. The updated dashboard provides a clear, comprehensive overview of all your projects. You can easily assign tasks, set precise deadlines, and track progress using the integrated planning tools. The Collaboration Hub allows for seamless team communication, ensuring everyone stays informed and on track. These features are designed to enhance your project management. To truly master Gemini Veo 3, consider these advanced tips. Personalize your dashboard to display the most critical project information first, optimizing your daily workflow. Integrate Veo 3 with your existing business applications for a seamless data exchange. Furthermore, dive into the advanced reporting features to uncover valuable insights into your team's performance and project health. These steps will elevate your experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.